Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TAFX family, and I believe that guys you are doing good, and we really thank God for this golden opportunity that we have today. Guys, I just want to continue covering the details about the TFX candle formation system, because I do believe that last time we covered the strategy 6, which also we have been using to release the results on our Telegram channel. If you are watching this video wherever you are, if you are watching from our YouTube channel, guys, in our description there you'll find the link to our Telegram group channel, whereby you can get you can watch the results that we get from our system each and every day, because that's what we do. We always release the result each and every day from our system as a proof that the system they are working as we describe on our video channel or in our video descriptions. So guys, we want to continue with the strategy. Today I'm going to cover the strategy 1 and 2 of our candle formation. And the importance of this video, it is to help our subscribers to know and to understand the importance of the system that you purchase. The thing is, our system, in every time you purchase our system, is like purchasing several EAs with the different strategies that will help you earn good money in Forex market. And this also helps you when the market changes the pattern, because you know, if you have been in Forex market for long, you would understand what I say. There is a time market changes the patterns, and you find that even the strategy you used to conquer the market with, you find somehow now it's letting you down. You fail to understand things changes in Forex market, and that does not mean your strategy is bad, and that does not mean that you can use your strategy will never work again. No, it is for some days, maybe some months, some weeks. Then from there, then you can go back even to your strategy, and it will still continue making money. This is why it's very important to work closely with the TFX company, so that we can help you understand our system, so that you can change any of the strategy or the EA that you want. Secondly, what I would like to make clear that having our system, guys, it is good to learn how to open the multiple terminal on your chart or on your PC, so that you can practice some of the strategies from our EAs, so that it can help you understand which one again you can apply. Yeah, after working with one strategy for sometimes, it is good to change to another strategy. Don't just work with only one strategy. You need to jump from this strategy to another. After some period of time, maybe 2 weeks, 1 month, you can change to another. And how will you do that? It's only by following us closely through our videos, so that we can give you the full understanding of how the system works. Then you can change, because every strategy that we linked with our EAs, they are perfect, they are profitable. All you need to know is how to work with them. So guys, let's not waste your time. Let us go direct now. Today I'm just going to talk about the strategy 1 and 2. In strategy 1 of our candle formation, we find that we have the bear cross. These are just some of candlestick pattern we just rename here. We have bull and bear cross, we have a golfing, we have PSE, we have a dark cloud. The reliable candlestick in Forex market, they are the one that we coded in our EA, so that it can help you to get the exact or the perfect entry through the candle formation. This is the subject that a lot of people knows that it works perfectly, but they don't know how to do it. This is why you have to thank the TFX company, because we have made things easier to code the EA that can trade the candlesticks patterns. So this is why now in strategy one we have bear cross, a golf lane, blah blah blah. But some of them we didn't link with them because they are not that superior. They are not superior in market. They are just there, but not that superior. So we work only with the one that are reliable. So we find that we have the sub D in our strategy one. Yeah, we have the sub D on our strategy one. How does this work? Let's go direct. This is the strategy one, and we find that we have those candlestick, blah blah blah, and also with the sub D. These are the settings of the short trade and long trade. These are the setting of the sub D. You can adjust them whenever you want, but this is our default setting that will help you a lot. Other information here, I do believe you know them. We'll cover them in settings, the settings, but we are talking about the strategy because they are very, very important. Also the setting, they are very, very important, whereby we cover that. And I think there is a lot of videos there. They talk about our TM period, long trade and short trade period of our TM. All of this, I think we have covered, but we will continue sharing the video. So the most important thing here now, it is about the short trade and the long trade of our sub D and other information there. So let's jump in and see what is the strategy one means. So if you ask me, I can send you also with the template so that you can you can work with it. But by default, we work with the strategy 6. So I do believe you have watched that video. So in strategy one, it's just simple as that. Guys, let's click OK and see what will appear here. As you can see now, we have the sub D, which draws the support and resistance zones. It's also indicate where the zones are, where we are expecting market to reverse or to change the direction of the market. This is how it looks like, guys. And what we are supposed to ask to add here as an example, I'm going to use this indicator as an example of what our EA does. Let me do this. Let me click OK. All right, let me jump. This is 15 minutes, let's say, for instant. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Should be reflecting here. Okay. Yeah, this is what I just wanted. Yeah, there we go. So let me disable this line so that you can see everything clearly. The way or how our EA works. Now we have the super zone here, and as you can watch here closely, you'll find that this is a bullish engulfing. This is a bullish PSE, and this also a bullish engulfing. This is the candle pattern or the candlestick. So this tells you whenever we have a super zone here which indicates support, and we have the reliable candlestick here, guys, the EA will open the trade after the closing of that candle. So this is a good entry, and it won't open until that candle is totally formed as a bullish or a bearish pattern. So as here you can see we have a PSE, we have bullish engulfing. So as long as we have support, this is in strategy one. Remember here in strategy 6 we were working with the 2 time frame, but here we are only working with 1 time frame. So working with 1 time frame, it tells you it will pick according to the time frame that you have attached your EA in. For instance, here it is minute 15. So it will work according to the formation that are there, being given direction with our sub D, which indicates support and resistance, and the candle pattern. So after this formation, and there is a support, the EA automatically, it will enter the trade after the confirmation of a real candle pattern. So if that candlestick are closed as a bullish engulfing and there is a support at this zone, it will enter the trade with the next candle. So in for example, let me show something here. For instance, this is a engulfing. This is a bullish engulfing candle. After closing this candle, it will open buy with the second candle. The same thing here we are getting at this point. So that is how the strategy one works, according to the direction of our sub D. So here we have a resistance. We have also the harami at this time. Bear harami. Having the bear harami, it must sell. It must sell also after having the bearish cross. So bear cross, harami, those are reliable. As you can see them here, they are very, very reliable whenever they are. Forget about the doji, sometimes they fail. You can only work with the doji in a big time frame like a daily or a weekly. If there is a doji there, we expecting a reversal or a retracement in small time frame. So remember the strategy one here, we are working according to the time frame that we are in. For instance, again, let us jump into V75 and see if you want to work in 1 hour or 30 minutes. That is up to you. So let me show you how you can do those stuffs, guys. Let us repeat the same thing. We have the plain chart like that in 1 hour time frame. All we need here, it is to insert our EA and choose the strategy one. If it is not there by default, here it is the strategies. All you need is to learn from here. This is the strategy. Go to strategy one. Here it's where you can select any of the strategy that you'll be learning from and practice them as you continue earning with our strategy 6. This is what we sent by default. Others you are supposed to be learning from them so that you can practice them on your demo account before applying them in your real account. So you just click that strategy one and make sure you check everything here. And always remember, it will pick the default lot size from the minimum lot size on that every pair. So if you want to adjust, this is where you can adjust your lot size. The good thing with this one, we also have the account target. We have the local target, which means that the chart target. So I do believe you know all about that if you have been watching our video. So I don't want to repeat that because this one is all about talking the strategies. So this is what the strategy one is. Now let us set these indicators so that we can see what is going on here. As you can see, there is a sell here. This is a bear cross. There is a bear cross, another sell. There's a bear golfing. There is another sell. Bear golfing, another sell. Bear golfing with a PSA, another cross. Those all will enter sell, 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 sell. So if you will be working with the targets, it's better so that you can milk market here. You can milk again here, 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 here. So all this one, it will sell because you can see we have our sub D at this zone. After drawing this zone, it tells you it can only sell, 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 sell until when we'll get another support at this area. So that is the powerful tool, my friend, because you can trade professionally according to the chart or a chart pattern or according to the candle formation. You can't miss this. For those people who love the 4 hours, you know the power of the candle pattern in big time frame. So trading the pattern based on your big time frame, that is also very, very, very powerful and very reliable because they mean a lot in big time frame more than small time frame. So in 30 minutes, 1 hour, and going above, that is the best time frame to use. And that does not mean you cannot use the minute 15. So in minute 15, you can use the strategy 6 so that you can trade from 4 hours and 15 minutes. But for others one that trades only in one time frame, I think it is better to use from 31 hour and above. So, and it will always give you a profit. You have been seeing it. Account is growing daily. Fast. After 2-3 hours, you will find us showing another result, showing that something is happening. So guys, let's go now to strategy 2. Yeah, let's go to strategy 2 now of our EA. So the strategy 2 again, let us go to our, let us attach our EA. Let's go here, guys. We have strategy 2 is our strategy here. The strategy 2, we find we have the patterns. The patterns are those candle patterns, and we have the master in the sub D. So you just click here the strategy 2 again. After setting everything here, we still have our 7.5 short trade and 15 settings of our sub D. So this is in 1 hour time frame, and we have the strategy too. So let's again attach this indicator as an example. Let me remove those lines. I don't want anyone to get confused again. And let us attach our master now. This is where we are using the TFX master. So what does this tells you? Now we have our TFX master, which is this one. Let me attach this one again. I don't want it to close. So in strategy 2, we find that we have the patterns master and the sub D. So this is the sub D, this is the patterns, and this is our master. This is for those people who want to trade according to the changing color of the master, but not without the candle pattern. This is very, very important to understand this. Working with only this changing color of our TM, it might not be that profitable without a confirmation of a candlestick or a candle pattern. It is very, very important having the combination of the support, the changing color of our TM, and the candle pattern. This guarantees you that that trade must buy or must sell. What makes that trade to sell or to buy? It is because of the power of the confirmation of our sub D, the changing color of our TM, and the candle pattern. Let me give you an example at this point. We have the sub D at this area. The TM has already changed the color, but the EA cannot pick the trade because there is no a good confirmation of a candle pattern until when it will detect or it will find the real bullish candle pattern. That is when the EA now will place the order, and you can't miss that opportunity. So it is not the same as trading only the sub D and the changing color over TM. It is better when trading the candles. And this is for those people who don't use the Renko, especially our Renko, my friend. You can see it's a very, very reliable tool. For those people who love to trade candles, it is good even if you are doing it manually. It is good, guys, to trade or to pick the trades after the confirmation of a reliable candle pattern. It's very important even when trading manually. And this is why we make things easier, because we have a good support according to the price action, and we also have our TM, and we have the confirmation of a candle pattern, which tells you that that EA it's a perfect, and this is why it's unbelievable result on our channel, because it is what it is, guys, because it must confirm with everything. Is there sub D? Yes. Is there a bullish cross or a candle pattern? Yes. Is there a changing color of our tape? Yes. Boom. It will pick now the trade, because those are very, very reliable tools in Forex market. Again, when it is when it's selling, we have the resistance here from our sub D. We have the bear cross, and we have the changing color here. So it will take trade. It will take trades again here because the market is still dropping. We still have the resistance, and we still have the green TM color dropping now, and we have the candle formations. So this tells you there is a sell here and there is another sell here. There is a buy here. There is another bullish here. And remember, if there was a bullish here and maybe you are not working with the target, the moment our sub D will appear at this area, it will take the profit. So the sub D helps you to enter the market, and also it will help you to take the profits. They are very reliable. So you can trade from this area until where there is a sub D. And remember, our sub D also goes with the direction of the market. This is why there is no resistance here. There is only support here and another support here, because it was a bullish thing, and now it is a bearish thing. It always goes with the direction of the market, guys. It will never, never, ever fails you. And because people got tired, maybe confused, maybe don't have enough time trading manually, this is why the TFX company is there with every EA that you will ever need in the forex market, every EA that suits your strategy. So for those people who love to trade the candle or the charts or the candle charts, my friend, go for the candle formation, because this is the only EA that will help you trade the candles professionally, confirming even the candle formation, not only the sub-D and the changing color of the TM, but also the combination of every required tool in forex market. A professional will tell you that if you have something, the price action, and if you are good in reading these candle patterns, you will never fail in forex market. And this tool is very fantastic because you can trade it with any time frame you wish to. So if you want to trade even in minute 5, guys, it is good to use the strategy 6. But for this one, strategy 1 and 2, guys, it is good to use from 30 minutes, 1 hour and above, even 4 hours time frame, even daily. Even if you can trade in daily time frame, it can only give you the exact. And we all know the power of candle pattern in big time frame, such as weekly, daily, or even monthly. So if there is a bullish engulfing at this point daily, we are expecting that market to be a strong bullish in small time frame. So for those people who are struggling trading these price action with the confirmation of candlesticks, my friend, don't worry now. It is time to set yourself free with this TFX candle formation EA. So for those people who have been asking, okay, what else can I? No, my friend, you have been seeing the result of our candle formation live from our Telegram channel, and now I'm showing you how they work. So that is the strategy 1. And the strategy 2, I do believe now you know how on or what professional means. If you have been in forex market now, you know surely the TFX are professional. Thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX. Let's continue milking market and learning how to work with our TFX tools. Thank you, and let's milk markets together. Thank you.